Happy Wednesday! Today's Workplace Wednesday. I'm going to show you how I have turned a Walmart storage bin into a loose jewel container for myself. Stay tuned! So I found a Walmart and I bought a 16 drawer storage. I don't even know what you call this. It's a storage organizer maybe. And it's over there in the hardware department. And these jars, I actually just put some, they're called golf pencils in them. And then I just love pencils. The erasers are not very good on these, so I don't really use these a whole lot. It's just really for decorations. And then a 16 compartment drawer that I purchased from Walmart. I purchased it years ago, but you can probably always get it on Amazon. It's 16 drawers, and you can get to be whatever size you want it to be. But I prefer to do the 16 one because that's what I had available. And what I've done is I've actually dumped out all of my loose jewels into the drawers. And I've identified each of my drawers by gluing some, whatever the content of the drawer is. I glued, just take one stone and put it on the outside. It works very easily, and it's very easy for me to organize and to know what I'm working with. And I did it with some E6000, and I used my Crystal Katana tool. You can do this with a pen, with some kind of glue. Just make sure you have glue that's a permanent type of glue, because what you don't want to do is while you're storing all this, for it to actually flicker off. So I've taken and done all of my jewels like that. I've even gone to Michael's and bought some of the jewels that are on the roll. And I have a video where I show you how to use my Crystal Katana tool and get the jewels off the roll very easily. But there's always a way, once you open up the packaging, you never know how to store it. So what I've done is I found a way to just roll it up a little bit and then just push it inside and then tug it away and it's done. And so I have a whole bottom row of just rolled stones, rolled jewels. And this one is my loose pearls, because I do a lot of things with pearls. I love pearls, so sometimes I make necklaces with them, or I may make some designs with it. And in the top row is my Swarovski crystal loose stones. And then I just identify it by the size. And so I'm going to show you how I do it, because somehow this one is not on there. So I'm going to show you how I take this loose one and we're going to actually adhere it to this one. So stay tuned. To get started, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dump the contents of this container out and put it into a little bowl, because I'm going to be working with this edge right here. I've already identified it, and I just use my label maker, or you could print it on your computer and just glue it here so that you can identify, and it's time to reorder. You already know exactly which one you'll need. All I'm going to do now is just open up my E6000, and this is the white version of it. I'm trying this one out. I usually use the clear, but I'm going to try the white one for now. And it always comes out a little bit too fast. So I'm just going to take it and wipe it off. Now please be mindful that you need to make sure your room is well ventilated for this, because it does stink and it's really, really loud. And be careful not to get it on your hands. All I'm going to do is just put a little drop, and that's actually too much. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit here, and then I'm going to drop it where I want it. I'm just going to simply put a little bit here, and I'm going to wipe it off just a little bit. This is a little bit sticky, so this is one of the reasons why I like to use the Crystal Katana, because it's already tacky. It's like a wax base, and it's easy to pick up stone. And you just want to grab one stone, and I'm just going to simply place it there. I'm going to use the other end, and I'm just going to securely push it down, and that's it. I mean, you can let it sit for 24 hours to dry, but for this I'm not going to let it, it's not going to slide. So I'm just going to pour it back in and assemble it again. Put all the jewels back in it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, to like, and to comment below on my channel. Click on the little bell notification so that you'll know when I post another video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later.